Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my very first Glam Bag Plus from Ipsy. Alright, for those that don't know what the Glam Bag Plus is, it is different than the regular Ipsy subscription service. The Ipsy subscription is $10 a month and you can get some full size, some sample size stuff in your little bag. But this one costs $25 a month. And you are promised 5 full-size items in your box. So it comes in a box, and I believe that it always brings a makeup bag as well, just like your regular Ipsy subscription, but we shall see. So let's open this up. So when you open it up, it says Glam Bag Plus, and it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And then this is what it looks like in here. Whoops, something fell out already. And it says, welcome to Glam Bag Plus. So it's a little booklet that they include with your subscription. And then inside it tells you every single thing that is in here. I don't see that it gives you like retail prices, but it does tell you everything that is included in your Glam Bag Plus. So this is what it says. With Glam Bag Plus, you'll get 5 full-size products from all the brands you love each month. You will get a Luxe makeup clutch every 3 shipments. I'm not sure if that means like the little makeup bag or not, because clutch sounds like something different. That's something that I need to find out. Tons of tips and inspo to guide you through your picks. Access to Shopper, which is our Ipster only online beauty shop where you get up to 50% cash back on every single thing you buy, and an extra $5 credit to start just for Glam Bag Plus members. That's nice. And that's pretty much it. And then it also says that for the first box, as a welcome, they added one more thing. It says you'll usually get 5 full-size products, but we added an extra product this month to say, welcome to Glam Bag Plus. All right, guys. So the first thing in here is from Pure Lease, and this is the Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant. And let me find that here so I can maybe read something to you guys. Okay, so it says, try this 10-minute facial once and you'll notice instant, subtle, but satisfying result like less noticeable pores and an all-over glow. Try it 2 or 3 times a week for at least a month and you'll pretty much transform your skin. Sounds good. Sounds appealing. A combo of Blue Lotus seeds, white clay, bamboo, ginger, white tea, and mushroom extract work together to help brighten, detox, tighten, soothe, I wanted to say smooth, and exfoliate your skin. Our testers who added this to their skincare rituals were amazed by how much more even, soft, and healthy their complexion looked and felt. So it tells you to apply a thin layer from your hairline down to your chest. So like from here all the way down to here. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, splash on some water and remove the mask in circular motions to exfoliate and sweep away any excess with a damp washcloth. And then it kind of has a picture of like what it would look like, I guess. So that's nice. It's definitely full size as promised. This is it right there. All right, so that is the first product in here. Next thing in here is from LXMI Pure Nilotica Melt. It's a nourishing balm to oil. That's what that looks like. And what does it say? This gorgeous tube is so much more than just a pretty little thing to prop on your vanity, although we admit that we displayed ours too. It is a 1-ingredient, 100% organic miracle balm that puts coconut oil and all your other multitasking go-tos to shame. Made with just Nilotica fruit butter, a superfood harvested from 20-year-old trees at the Nile River, this skin fix can be used anywhere for just about anything. We love using it to quench dry hands and feet, tapping it onto our lips and smoothing it over elbows, knees, and extra dry spots. The texture starts out rich and buttery, but quickly melts right into your skin thanks to being cold pressed in temperature. Uganda versus a refrigerated lab, like most products are, so you can get dressed immediately after applying. So that's it right there. Maybe I should put some on. Wow, this is really thick. Like I can't even squeeze it out. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm gonna put some on my hand and see. That was hard to take it out of the tube. It's like butter, like seriously. When you're rubbing it in, it kind of feels like you're rubbing in Vaseline. I hope the feeling doesn't stay like that. I mean, it does definitely nourish, like, I don't know if you can see like the shininess, you know what I mean? But I want this feeling to go away. It definitely melts into your skin, but I don't want it to stay feeling like this. I like the way it makes the skin look, definitely, but I don't like the way it feels, because it feels like literally like Vaseline. Like, okay. All right, next thing in here is from Morphe, and this is a high impact highlighter in the color Extra. You guys don't really need me to read what a highlighter is. You guys know what a highlighter is. So this is it right here. And it has a nice size mirror there. And that is the color right there. It's beautiful. That's very pretty. Hopefully you guys can pick that up there. Can you? You see that? That's very pretty. So that is the highlighter. Very nice. Next product in here is from Ico London, and this is a skinny liquid eyeliner in black. When in doubt, wing it out. That's what it says. So this is the eyeliner. Wow, that's very precise and very black. I want to try to use this. You see, it's gorgeous. I want to try to do this. Let's see. I'm gonna practice one of these days, like as soon as I get off the camera, because I need to practice eyeliner. And then we have the Tarte Man Eater Voluptuous Mascara. Beautiful tube, beautiful packaging. And this is the wand right there. Hopefully this one is good. I don't really know if I've ever heard anything about the Man Eater mascara, but it's a nice size, definitely. And then we have the Smashbox Cover Shot Bold Glitter Eye Palette. So it's a small palette. It has a nice mirror there. And then you have, whoop, you have your colors right there. So all right, so the colors are Glow Nut, Gold Digger, What the Fleck, New Money, Sea Punked, Pinky Ring, Let's Reflect, and Grayscale up here. I'm gonna swatch some of these for you guys and see. Let's do the gold. Let's do the green. Let's do the pink. And then let's do like that kind of rose gold color. So this is what they look like on the finger. On the fingers, please focus. And then let's see. and that's swatched. And that's just one swatch. That's very pretty. So Gold Digger, the money one, the pinky ring, and the glow nut. They're very pretty. I like them. I like that. I didn't have any glitters, guys, so I'm happy that I got this palette because sometimes you just want to pop that glitter in there. Like, I wish I would have had that gold color for last month for Childhood Cancer Awareness Month in September. I would have totally done a look with that. I would have totally loved it. And then last but not least, you get your little makeup bag, which is very, very cute. I love the colors. I like this one. And this one looks nicer than what we usually get. So let me kind of like fix it up so you guys can see. It's very pretty. It's like this like orangey kind of terracotta color with this like leather looking thing in the front, which is like a little pocket. And I like it. Everything fits in here. Every single thing that came in here, once out of the packaging, fits in there. I really like this one. I really like this little makeup bag. I think I'm gonna start using this one now. All right, guys, so what are my final thoughts on the Glam Bag Plus? It's $25 a month. I think it is worth it, given that you get a makeup bag in here. So I'm guessing that they're probably charging you for the makeup bag. Trying to compare it to BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is like $21.99, I believe, a month, and you always get 5 full-size items in there. The only difference is that you don't get a makeup bag every month. So I'm guessing that it's kind of like a $4 difference if I want to compare it to BoxyCharm. Which one do I like better? Reading on the thing that says that you're gonna get a makeup clutch every 3 shipments, which I think this would be the makeup clutch. I don't know if it would be something else, but reading on that, I would have to give the points to BoxyCharm, or I would have to gear towards BoxyCharm because I'm getting still 5 full-size items in BoxyCharm, which are usually amazing. There's usually always a palette in there, which is most of the time bigger than this Smashbox palette that we got in this box. Given that, I would have to gear more towards BoxyCharm. If you were telling me that I was paying $25 a month, but I'm getting a makeup bag every single month, then I can probably say that they're pretty much evened out, because in BoxyCharm we don't get a makeup bag and you're just paying like $4 to have the makeup bag. I did like this box. I did like this month's box. I loved it. If they can tell me that I would get every month a palette, like pretty much always happens in BoxyCharm, and a makeup bag aside from other things, I would definitely say that this is 100% worth it. The fact that they're saying that we're gonna get a makeup clutch every 3 shipments kind of has me on the fence in that sense, if you get me, on whether I like BoxyCharm or this one better. I would definitely essentially like to love both of them, and that's it, and just have both subscriptions. But yeah, other than that, I'm very, very happy with this box. I will definitely stay on the Glam Bag Plus subscription for now and see how it goes. Definitely keep comparing them, both BoxyCharm and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, to see which one I like better. And yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notifications bell. If you want to subscribe to Ipsy, I will have the link down below for you guys. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye, my loves.